Hello there, strangers. Hello. But anyways, I'm making this video for a good reason. There's a good reason for this video that I'm making. And it's about the owner of Club Tesla. That's right. The owner of Club Tesla is not a good person. You should not play this game. I'm gonna give you a few reasons as to why you should not play this game. And you probably won't play this game anymore, and you probably will regret buying VIP and buying the permanent freaking neon things. Oh, hey there, random person. This game is not for kiddos. You'll probably get asked by DjMykal to send picture of of your no-no parts. But that is besides the point. Actually, that is right on the point of this video. But pretty much the point of this video is exposing DjMykal for everything that he did. Pretty much the only thing DjMykal really did was he's rude to staff, he's perverted, and he does a bunch of freaking drugs and should definitely be banned on Roblox. I actually bought the VIP for this game, including the permanent wristband thing. So, I don't know why there's literally nobody in the server, just me and Spartan McFive and Gramps McDiaper. But I'm going to tell you the story of why I stopped playing Club Tesla, even though I'm playing it right now. But why I actually stopped playing Club Tesla. And I'm actually just going to tell you the story while this is trying to load. Please let me log into Discord. Please. But, anyways, hi, okay, but anyways, in all actuality, DjMykal should not be on Roblox. DjMykal is the most perverted, the most illegal being in the planet. That's exactly right. That's the right way to say all of this. But I'm gonna tell you the story right now. So, while I came to Club Tesla, I made some random stupid account called MyKittyCatBooha, and I made that account mainly for, oh yeah, that's where the VIP gets you, by the way, but I made this account, let's see if a friend Gramps McDiaper, apparently not, but I made MyKittyCatBooha as like a social experiment kind of account. Like, what would you do if a noob came up to you and tried to be your friend in Club Tesla? Like, it was gonna be a video like that. Because I just made this new channel and literally nobody really cares. But I just made this new channel mainly to do videos and stupid crap like that. But I came here and I didn't know, but apparently DjMykal was in the server, and apparently a whole bunch of other staff members were in the server, and I have pictures of all this I'm about to tell you. But there was a hacker in the server. For some unknown random reason, there was a hacker in the server. And as well as there being someone that would play the same troll song over and over and over and over. So DjMykal was trying to find the person that was doing that, so they kept skipping all of the songs, and then DjMykal came into the big crowd that was right here. It was all over the place right here. And he immediately, he immediately came to me and one other person is like, it was probably you, Trash, and named my avatar Trash. Like, my username wasn't showing, my level wasn't showing, it was just Trash. Red Trash above my head. So apparently I am Trash, first off. And he named another person Trash because he was blaming us for doing a bunch of troll songs and hacking his server. So, I don't know why he would do that. Also, he is really rude to his staff. He's so rude to his staff, you have no idea. I joined the Discord because I was actually going to work here for Club Tesla. I was actually going to try to work here. And then I realized how much of a jerk this guy actually was. So I immediately left the Discord after all this went down. But one time I was in the Discord, and I was not working for Club Tesla. I have never worked for Club Tesla. But all of a sudden, there was just a spam of chats in the Discord, and I looked, and apparently DjMykal fired all of the staff for no reason. There was no reason behind why he fired all of the staff of Club Tesla. Like the stage performers, the security, he fired everyone. And the only way to get into being a staff member is through Discord. And you have to send him your address, you have to send him a picture of your face, you have to, like, send him an actual selfie and you holding up the okay sign. He'll probably, like, literally roast you. That's how much of a jerk this guy is. But he'll probably roast your picture. I know I probably shouldn't be spending most of the video talking about this, but this is probably all this video is going to be, is me explaining why DjMykal is really, really bad, and why you shouldn't buy anything at Club Tesla, and you shouldn't come to Club Tesla. But this guy sucks. This guy literally sucks. He was asking underage women for pictures, like dirty pictures, like nasty little pictures. And he's 18 years old and he was asking like underage. So imagine an 18-year-old asking underage. Like underage for like an 18-year-old would probably be like 13 or maybe even younger than that. But he was asking little girls for picture, like dirty little pictures. He's not right. He does tons of drugs, like that's all his Discord pretty much is like drugs and, you know, stuff like that. Some of the staff were kind of rude, like when he named my character Trash, all the staff here, and I was like, hey, can somebody change my name back to My Kitty Cat Boo-ha? Like, can somebody change that, you know? I was like, I came up here and I said, DjMykal named me Trash, and they started laughing, and I asked them to change it back, and they were like, I can't. And then when my chat bubble went away, one of the stage performers popped up over here, and they were like, wait, for real? Like, they didn't expect DjMykal to be this much of a jerk. Apparently DjMykal has had so many warnings on Roblox. Like, apparently this isn't even the beginning of some of the stuff that he's been doing. Like, this isn't even close to anything that he's been doing. He's probably been, like, asking more people than we think for little pictures, little dirty pictures. He's probably ruined lives over this stupid game. He's a money-hungry little butt, and I'm not just saying that because, you know, he named me Trash. Like, I don't care. I'm Trash anyways. I already knew that from the start. But just because he named me Trash, like, I don't care. I don't care. You can call me Gramps McDiaper for all I care. Like, I don't really care about that. And I don't care about all the money that I spent. Even though I did ask a supervisor for a refund, I don't really care about all the money that I spent on this stupid game. I just want to stop other people from doing the same thing I did. Spending money that you should keep on this stupid game. And, like, just trying to be friends with some guy that, you know, you shouldn't even talk to DjMykal. You shouldn't come to Club Tesla, because if he's in the server, he will roast you so hard your face will just fall off. And you'll probably step on it. Like, if somebody gets gum stuck on their shoe, you're gonna get your face stuck on their shoe. But what I'm saying is you should not come to Club Tesla. Do not spend your money on Club Tesla. And I actually have pictures that I will be showing you that I have put on Discord, which I'm trying. Oh, I am logged in. Okay. But I am logged into Discord, and I'm going to be showing you all the pictures that I sent. Everything I sent to these little people. Like, all the little pictures I sent of him. Like, proof that he was in the server. Proof that the staff were laughing at me and saying that they couldn't help. And then, which I think they could, because I think they had admin. But the supervisor ended up changing my username back. But I don't know why he did that. There was no reason. Like, I was a little bacon hair noob like this. Like, I was just dressed up like a little bacon hair noob. And he just decided to call me Trash. So, hopefully you didn't already buy VIP for this game. Hopefully you don't even know what this game is. Like, hopefully most of you, or all of you watching this, don't know what this game is, because this game is just the people that own this game, the people that work here, the person that owns this game, they're trash. They are the trash. Like, well, not everyone that works here, but everyone that works here that is on DjMykal's side, you have no idea what this guy has gone through. Like, you have no idea what I've gone through. I've been called trash. I've been called a little bacon hair noob. You see that? Mykal did that to me. But honestly, I don't care. But if he does that to somebody who's, like, already self-conscious about themselves, like, already upset about everything, what if he named somebody like that trash, and then they just, like, decided to kill themselves? I'm not saying, like, that's actually gonna happen. I really hope that that doesn't, but there are people out there that take that kind of stuff to heart. You can't just joke around and call somebody trash and think, oh yeah, I'm just kidding. Like, all the staff members was like, oh no, it's okay, Mykal just jokes like that. Do you think I really think being called trash is funny? Like, I'm not laughing. I was actually asking for people to change it back. I did not want to be called trash. That's probably better than being called Gramps and McDiaper, but I mean, seriously. Who wants to be called trash? But anyways, let me show you the pictures that I took of DjMykal. But one of the pictures was actually taken by one of my other friends that came here, so Toecorn. It kind of sounds like I'm trolling, but I'm not. I met up with about 3 or 5 other people here. It was me and somebody else's username who got changed to trash. So, oh, sorry, I had a notification. But let me pause the video and get the pictures up, and I will just show you guys all the pictures real quick. So this is one of the pictures that I took. As you can see, my character here is named Trash. This is my little noob account character that I had at the time, and I was named Trash. And there was one other picture that I took, and it was for, like, it was from Retro. Let me pause it. Here is the other picture that the HRs left at the fact that I was named Trash, as well as the fact that they couldn't change me back. As you can see, my username right here is Trash. This is Toecorn. This is the person that I met, along with 2 other people that just happened to not be in the picture. But XD, and I can't. This is when I asked them to change my username back to what it originally was, and they said that they couldn't, and then they started laughing at it. Another picture, one moment. So as you can see, more and more people have been uploading videos of DjMykal apparently saying stuff on Discord. This is a video by this person that I recommend actually watching this video. I really recommend watching this video along with the video that you're watching now. You should probably link both of these videos. It will be my story. This video is my story, and then this video is literally exposing the Club Tesla owner DjMykal. So this is all that, and I'm gonna pull up the other picture that Toecorn took to give you proof that DjMykal was actually in our server. Okie dokie, so this is me right here. Let's see if you can see my username. No, you can't see my username, but here is DjMykal right here. This is me. I am Trash. This is me. And the other person that was actually named Trash, I don't see them in the server, but I asked not this person, I asked this person for help, which is a security guard, which should have changed my username back. This is Toecorn. This was actually where she took the picture. This is her sending the picture on Discord. But this is where she took the picture. And yeah, that's about it for pictures. But actually, there's probably some more pictures of stuff right here. But there was another person that was named Trash along with me. You should be in prison, right? That's somebody saying that to DjMykal because he is a literal pervert. Oh my. But that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to let you guys know that you should not play Club Tesla. Do not support Club Tesla in any way. Do not give Mykal your information when trying to work for Club Tesla. Just don't. Just forget it ever existed. or you're probably gonna get, like, tracked down. You're probably gonna have to literally call the cops on this man. This man is just a horrible, horrible man. Just don't.